Welcome to Inside the Courtroom. I'm Carla Schusler here with Greg McCollum of the Complete Legal Defense Team. Hi, Greg.
Hi, Carla.
We've been talking the last few weeks about domestic violence and placing calls to the police, what happens when they get there, that you can't cancel the call, and also when they come in, that they're searching for evidence or factors that would play into the situation that they've been called for. And we started to touch a little bit on what about other things that they find in the home that they aren't necessarily looking for but might happen to come across. For example, some type of illegal drug. What happens in that situation or scenario?
The police are going to be the police. They're going to investigate it. So if they come in and you've got a bag of weed, you got a bag of marijuana on the kitchen table that you forgot to put up, or you got a bong or something where you've been smoking, they're going to investigate that too. And their instinct is to charge somebody with that crime as well, because all crimes are in their purview of what their role is: solve crimes, arrest people for committing crimes.
So it's important that I think that people realize that and understand it, that there's maybe other consequences to calling the police when they're in an argument with their spouse. And like you mentioned last week, that they're looking for a referee, that might not be the best reason to call the police in that type of situation.
Yeah, and the thing about other crimes is, and we hear this all the time as lawyers, people read the law and say, well, evidence of other crimes is not admissible. It says it right here in the law. Yeah, it does, but the courts have ruled on that and eroded it and said, well, it says that, but this is too important to let it go. And so those protections have largely been stripped out of the law, even though it still says it.
Good to know. If you have a question for the Complete Legal Defense Team, email us at completelegalDefenseTeam.com.